In today's show, here's how the Bitcoin price could hit $20,000 by as early as March, according to this crypto analyst. He wrote on Twitter, "Real talk, this week is very important. The only thing that matters now is holding the trend line, which is the red line, which is currently up. Every time we lost it, we ended up in a bear market. Only this time, the market will crash. And if we hold it, we can see $20,000 by March." We'll be breaking this down in today's show. Also, in today's episode, Bitcoin stuns the bears, soaring $800 back over 7K to fill the futures gap. And taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market is such a beautiful blessing to see the major cryptos all back in the green. We're going to be breaking all this down in today's show, doing a Bitcoin price action. We'll also take a look at what popular crypto analyst Peter Brandt has to share regarding the Bitcoin price, as well as Tor Demeester. He says Bitcoin's parabolic uptrend, which started in January 2015, is still intact, now nearly touching support again for the first time since March 2019. Hashtag buy the dip. All this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before we kick off today's show, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, be sure to smash that link right below the video in the description. Welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into today's top story of how the Bitcoin price could hit $20,000. Bitcoin saw quite the bout of volatility on Wednesday. Early in the morning, the crypto tanked, falling as low as $6,450 in a strong move lower before rebounding to the upside. By the end of the day on Wednesday, the price of Bitcoin rallied as high as $7,400, which I saw on my side, surging by over 10% from its local bottom in the 6,400s on the back of seeming short covers and long-term investors buying the crypto dip. Although it may be too early to tell whether or not this is a fully fledged macro reversal, one prominent trader who called the drop in November to the 6,000s suggests that Bitcoin has a good likelihood of reaching $20,000 by March. Well, Bitcoin's latest bounce higher has infused bulls with a fresh dose of hope, culminating in positive analysis that imply Bitcoin's reversal rally is just starting. One such analysis was posted by Velvet, a popular crypto trader. They noted that this week's close for Bitcoin is very important, noting that the key thing Bitcoin will need to do by Sunday's close is holding the trend line seen in the red in the chart below. For reference, the trend line in question, which always ended up in bear markets when Bitcoin crossed below it, currently sits in the high 6,000s, which Bitcoin is currently above. And taking a look at the top cryptos, Bitcoin is currently trading at $7,179, up 9.63% in the past 24 hours. If Bitcoin rides that level, Velvet remarked that Bitcoin could see 20K by March, referencing the fact that prior to the previous halvings, Bitcoin always surged, rallying higher on the expectation that a negative supply shock would hit the market. And taking a look at his tweet on Twitter, he wrote, hashtag Bitcoin, real talk, this week is very important. The only thing that matters now is holding the trend line, which is currently up. Every time we lost it, we ended up in a bear market. Only this time, the market will crash. If we hold it, we can see $20,000 by March. And checking out this graph, he actually outlines it for you. I'll include this in the show notes below the video for you to check it out. But let's keep in mind, bearish factors still remain potent. Despite these factors, there remain bearish wild cards in the crypto market. Two wild cards, in fact. There are the potential selling pressure from the Plus token pyramid scheme and minor capitulation concerns. Per previous reports, the Plus token crypto scam, which managed to procure billions worth of digital assets over its year or so in existence, has slowly been liquidating its proceeds on the open market, resulting in continual excessive selling pressure. There's also fears that Bitcoin miners are selling their mined cryptocurrencies due to the fact that many miners are running unprofitable ventures. And taking a look at the top cryptocurrencies, Ethereum is up 2.72%, trading at $127. XRP, which touched 17 cents yesterday, is back up 5%, trading at just below 19 cents. Miss Litecoin is up 7%, trading at just below $40. BNB coin is up now 7.2%, trading at $13.42. So as you can see, the market is pumping as I'm recording this. Link is up 8%, trading at $1.83, and EOS is up 11%, trading at $2.44. And in other crypto news, Bitcoin stuns the bears, soaring $800 back over 7K to fill the futures gap. And let's break this down. So is this a trend reversal? Well, in yesterday's episode entitled "Bitcoin Price Will Quickly Reverse from Intense Plunge Because of These Three Factors," it's looking to be this way. Earlier in the day, veteran commodities trader Peter Brandt tweeted a logarithmic chart of Bitcoin's long-term price action and wrote here on Twitter, "Bitcoin, BTC, has apparently held at important support." And as always, I'll include this in the show notes below the video in the description for you to check it out. A number of other traders also pinpointed the importance of Bitcoin price remaining above this support, and today's strong upside move is sure to have relieved worried investors, at least for the time being, right? Interestingly, the rebound to 7,235 also filled the CME gap from December 14th to the 15th, a phenomenon that has become increasingly common for the Bitcoin USD pair this year. As you can see right here in the chart, that gap has now been filled. Also, Bitcoin turns bullish on the shorter time frame. On the shorter time frame, one can see a powerful oversold bounce took place, flipping the moving average convergence divergence histogram to positive and producing a strong bull cross between the MACD and signal line, as you can see right here on your screen. Then also, as suggested from previous analysis, the relative strength index, which is the RSI, bounced around 20 and now extends into bullish territory above 61. The price also rose above the moving average of the Bollinger Bands, and the indicator suggests that today's move could extend to 7,250 before becoming exhausted. And as we look at the charts right now, we're trading just below 7,200. I think we touched about 74 to 75 before going back down, but overall, things are looking bullish once again. Do you believe this is a legit trend reversal, or do you feel we are still in bearish territory? I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments right down below. The current crypto market cap is sitting at $191 billion with $108 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, so volume is way up, and the current Bitcoin dominance is still on the climb at 68.3%. And taking a look at the top gainers in the past 24 hours, Eidos Kunin is up 41%, holy moly, trading at $1.71. Stratus is up 20%, trading at 41 cents. Horizon is on the horizon, up 14%, trading at $7.42. Theta is up 13%, trading at 11 cents. Luna is up 13%, trading at 22 cents. And Waves is up 13%, making big waves, trading at 91 cents. And for the biggest losers, Kyber Network down 5%, trading at 19.5 cents. Molecular Future down 2%, trading at $1.71. IOTA down 0.69%, trading at 15.6 cents. Single collateral DAI is down 0.5%, trading at $1. Paxos Standard down 0.4%, trading at $1. And Bitcoin down 0.39%, trading at 0.0002. So as you can see, that's not too shabby, not at all. And checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see the bulls are back in control, leading with 280 million in superiority, holy moly, with longs leading 53.32% versus 46.68% shorts. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Let me know in the comments right down below. And checking out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index right now, we're at 21 in extreme fear. Yesterday was a 15 in extreme fear, and last week was a 22 with extreme fear. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity like we're in right now. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this Bitcoin and cryptocurrency rocket ship heading straight to the moon. If you got value out of today's episode, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And real quick before I go, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, smash that link right below the video in the description. And I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.